Safes has really changed my life as a mother. 2 years ago, we had just moved abroad and we were experiencing a lot of cultural barriers in the new environment. The most challenging problem that I had was that Antoine, my son, uh, used to go to school and hear words that weren't really appropriate for his age. And also the fact that English was not his first language added to this issue. So he used to come home, and instead of talking to me and asking for an explanation, uh, he went online. He used to go online and look for that term, which resulted in him stumbling upon really inappropriate content, which left him traumatized for a while. And I was really worried about this problem. I wanted to be able to find a way so that I can be the one who explains this kind of stuff to my son. One day I came across Safe's app in the App Store, and I saw that they claim that you can see if your child searches for certain keywords, and you can also block uh, inappropriate websites. So I told myself, okay, whatever, I'll give it a try. And honestly, I was not sure if it was gonna work, but I installed the app, and it really did work. Now I get the chance to know if my son searches for those keywords that he shouldn't be. And he also has learned that the internet is not the best source for looking for answers. I have a much better relationship with my son, and I owe it all to SACE.